Welcome back to WTV. I'm still here, no prof. Welcome back to WTV. I'm still here, no prof. We're still pushing as hard as we can. Prof has to go somewhere important because he's been holding away. He's been holding holding off appointments 999. Even his vacation fell apart. Prof, welcome back to your own channel.
Yes, kunjalo bafowethu ngithi kusasenjalo hayi bafowethu ukuthi Google uthandayo bathi omunye mara prof uneminyaka mingaki bafowethu ngigugile ngendlela enye ecakile ngigugile ngigugile sengishoda ngale ntshwebe emhlophe but ngigugile ngikhehla sengokusho njalo ngisho ukuthi bafowethu ngithanda kakhulu ukudlula yonke into emhlabeni ingako uma nikhala nginizwa ukuthi no KB right man yeah people are crying lo nyaka nje asikaze sathi siya performa in the right way but manje sibuyelile enyaweni siyaphambila siye emuva
Mashallah.
hayi phambili
Na siyabona prof.
Yes.
All right. Nawe ngokuletha izinto zasemuva to the public. So lethenye manje esebenziswa abanye abantu in the background. Hayi umphakathi. Unika umphakathi a new weapon.
yeah
Impempe yezitha. That was only used by us. I would mean personally used, but abantu bakho behind the scenes. Manje sowinika umphakathi. Impempe yezitha ifana into yokulwelayo. If umuntu akenze kabi. Uyantasula or double cross or wenzani. You've got an interview, you've got a meeting, you're going to lahlela amaphepha amatenda, you're going to apply for this whatever. Mina ayingakata uthi isikhathi bani. Mawufika lapho mawuthe 2 no2 ngishaya impembe. Or if ngiseduzana ngishaya then from there ulanda into ezokhuluma ngayo khona manje idida abantu yakudida ukhuluma umntobo in an interview with how this man his CV so impressive so ukhuluma ukuthi wena uthanda ipiano which does not have anything to do with the interview and then you lose. So lento le emotional izinto impembe yezitha. 1, why unika umphakathi manje? 2, sitshele ngayo le.
ngiyabonga bra KB ngelinye ilanga sesakhuluma sinawe or ngelinye ilanga sisathi hlephe ngelinye ilanga ngangihlezi esigodlweni ngihlezi nabanye abantu bezela ekhaya mangihleli naye lo mama athi prof ngisithole itenda masithola le tenda le bengasingedwa benginabantu abathize labantu abathize bangihlukumeza so uma bamhlukumeza lo muntu bathatha 1 badala mabathatha ukubhadalwa bathatha imali but no abasingabhadali but ba invoice but umasipala never paid and then only to find out in few days those people who went to the garage buy cars improve their house and then no matter abantu laba baphumelela manje but isebenze sonke sihlupheka sonke njani. Okay, the woman came to me, Prof, yazi ngisebenza nalabantu laba baphumelela bathi ababhadalanga sengibuyele but no we have paid for the company certain company and then mama buye kubo hey bona hey tin awaphuma kibo ngathi yazi vule yakho icompany wedwa nguphakamise ngapha leyo ukuthi ni 5 sizoyenza kanje wena angisho saphe ngaphansi kwabo abafuna umbhadala wena manje soyenza sure ukuthi ngale mpempe le ngoba abantu bakuzisa ubuhlungu bantwana ba drop esikolweni ngenxa yokuthi akukhona ukubhadala school fees ibhlungu lento le ayisa affect wena affecta nomndeni wakho ngamakhela impempezi mangiyakhe impempezitha ngathi wena mama manje ngupha lesipoko lesipoko uyo blower nje kuphela mawazi ukuthi manje bo submit so bekungcono ku easy because of the way together bekazi ukuthi ngo 3 o'clock baya ku briefing nini bayi-appoint ikhampani maceda uku-appoint ikhampani sekumele ayochaza phela quota yenze konke ukuthi uzosebenza kanjani kule tender ya 10 million wayiblowa leyo mama waqala wafika lapho wathi hayi ayibona nto athi uyabona mina umuzi wami uschool yonke into yami ischool imoto yami iyagijima yona mayihamba esitrateni so and then yaqala manje lento yabuye uthi oh man baba asifuni kuzwa ngomuzi wakho how we going to fix indlela le athi angiyamtshela mina lapha ngihlala khona kune-paving and then they say no hayi okay thank you sir thank you bakungena nomfazi ngishayile contract they terminate they choose another company abuya lo mama prof impempe yami is working very well babuya futhi baba nominate bafika lapha babheda babuya ba nominate babheda they end up baphuma emathindeni because of bese kubheda ngalendlela ukuthi bangasazi they go around and looking for help ngoba lo muntu kuze lento isebenze bekazwe ubuhlungu ngalabantu la so ngiyakhela abantu abahamba baphanisha abantu ngoba kunabantu KB usebenze nabo nzima ungalali 24/7 awulali elulelo uyahona but at the end of the day abuye ku double cross.
Prof, the reason why I mean and also this goes for Siriana, I have a problem with you uniga umphakathi lento is because obviously it's poor. Like lento lena you can't use it more than once a year. I mean you can't use it more than twice. You have to use it like 2 at the most or else it's okay. But that's what I'm saying Uti. I can be responsible because I know Uti is those hambaraja. But umuntu ose Bloemfontein bam double crosser today, bam double crosser next week, bam double crosser Uti I for food. It worked. Then the next thing is on Kawat. So that was my concern, Uguti. Prof, why are you giving it to the public? Because no mama, no, of course, I mean, that was the first person who, from there, went hard. Why there? And then you used it only for people out close with you. But now you're giving it to the public. Are you satisfied, Uguti? It can be used correctly. Because that's my only problem. You can only use it twice, that's it. But we know what happens, Mamudu Aiwan. It's the same thing as what happens Mamudu Aiwan up to Siriana Kashe. People don't just get satisfied saying right, oh no, it's Tazami, no, it's fine. And that's if I'm making any sense.
Yeah, I thought of it before Nizaguwe or Ngubiza, let's talk about this. Angenginike vele noma ngubani because of umuntu KP thina saphiwa ukuthi uma ufika usakhuluma nje ngiyeza ukuthi lo ngamnika ama boys ayikho into azoyenza so uzoloka khala njalo so ngiyangibhekisise mina self uma ngihleli nomuntu lapha endumbeni ukuthi awu KP uzokhona uku-afforda lento le KP uzokwazi ukuyi-maintain lento le KP angeke azwise nabantu ubuhlungu umndeni wakhe ngalento le so ngayicabangisisa ngayibuka ukuthi oh endoda mina naso izosebenza kanje because vele wona KP nomuntu asithi njengabantu bama-tender whatsoever ukuthi uzo-interview angeke ahlala njalo interview ma-tender angaphuma but eyakhe ikhampani nganomuthi so kukabili ukuthi ayenze into ezokwazi ukuzwakala so into engiyenzile ngithe ngizohlolisisa kabanzi before ngithatha impempe ngithi mina because ngizothatha le mpempe ngithi mina sokugcine vele kulimala wena so ngizoba nginika abantu certain people angeke ngincabele uma ubhuka but sizofika sicabane lapha endumbeni.
Okay, ukuyivala ngifuna impempe, what do we do?
Uma ufika lana ngoba isipoko kumele siconnecte nawo so that mawuthi play sisuke la sisuka khona sibuye sizobamba siye direct la usithuma khona so what you need to do uza nempahla yakhona sizohlala kusiyinduku elula that's why ngeke ibe less izobiza kakhulu ngoba ngifuna destroy so ukuze umuntu athi no prof ngiyenza kanje impempe lesisebenzisayo ihlukile kunazo zonke impempe le mawuthenga 5,000 and then bese weniza akusile ukushaya ukuthi kuve namakhelwane enye nje mawuthi uzwa uwela uduma njengemoto. So into ezoyenzeka ukuthi umuntu uza nemali yokulingana 5,000 plus 15k.
So it's 20k.
It's 20k
Deposit or doesn't have
deposit. Mawubuya lesipoko kunento okufuna sifike sihlale futhi ukuhlambuluke ngazo ukuthi singasabuye emzimbeni wakho ngoba siyingqondo.
So what's the total cost?
Total cost is going to be 35.
Okay.
Thank you.
Siyabonga nizwele ngempempezi guys, please don't abuse this thing. You don't want to abuse lento. Guy 2, if you have more than 2 any issues, trouble thinking now, just check yourself first. Into why are they
Ngaloku cabana nabantu
yeah.
phezulu.
It's gonna bembe you.
It's gonna bumper you.
You'll get in trouble. Prof. Siyabonga.
Thank you so much, guys.